Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Especially this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and does it support dual SIM card on a single SIM tray? Now, previously I make a video saying that this phone support dual SIM, but one of them is the physical SIM and one is the electronic SIM that is built into the phone. Now, I have few people keep commenting saying that this SIM tray actually support two physical SIM. So you can put one SIM card at the top and another one at the bottom of this SIM tray. Now, let's find out if this is true or not. Can you actually put another SIM card underneath this SIM tray? So, are you ready? We're going to turn it over and let's take a look. So at the back here is the bottom of the SIM tray. Now it doesn't look like it can support another SIM card, so I'm just going to flip it over. Now clearly over here you can see there is a writing on this indicating this is SIM1 SIM1. So you can see there is a writing right here. It says SIM1, and you can put a SIM card right in here. But when you turn over, there is no writing. There is no space for where you put in the SIM card. So here you can see I cannot put the SIM card in like that. It just won't work. You won't be able to put into the SIM tray. So I would say no, you cannot have two SIM card on a single SIM tray. It's just not possible. And it's not designed for it to work like that. So only one SIM card on one SIM tray, and another SIM card or another electronic SIM is on your device. So it's not possible to put two SIM cards on a single SIM tray, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.